So the first thing we do is open the right hand. We hooked, crane's beak, open the hand, all the weight goes to the front leg and turn. So now you're turning on the toe of the right foot. Left hand is opposite the right elbow and the right foot comes across. Put the heel down, toe up. From here, we drop the hands. One hand in front of the groin, one hand on the outside, palm out, palm in. Then bring the foot back and put the toe next to the heel. Release the hip joint. All the weight flows to the front foot. Turn the body, center, and the hands will turn automatically, and the foot comes across. Keep the arms in front of the chest. Okay, so the first thing is here, release this hip joint, and then just sit on the front leg. Turn, turn, keep turning the waist. Yes, good. Then this foot will come across automatically. Put the toe next to the heel. Arms a little bit up. And then, Okay, good.